Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create business account on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will show you the way and how to create business account on Instagram. First thing you need to do is go to your Instagram account and go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, click on the three lines on the upper right corner and click settings. Once you're in the settings page, click on the account and you will scroll down below and click on switch to professional account. In here, you will get your professional tools. Just keep clicking continue. In here, you will describe what is your category for your business account. You can also display this in your profile if you want to, and it's fine if you don't. Click OK. And in here, you will choose between the creator or business and click next. And in here, you will be receiving promotional emails for your business account, and you can also turn that off if you don't want to, and click next. And you can also review your contact info and click next afterwards. You can also connect it to your Facebook page, but you can also skip that. If your profile is complete, you might click check, and you can go to your profile and check it. And as you can see that your category has been appeared on your bio. And that's it. That's how you create a business account on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.